Today, let's learn how to make an Ayurvedic medicine for almost all the disease with only 3 ingredients, which are ajwain, bitter cumin, which is also called kali jeera, and fenugreek seeds. Now let's see what are the benefits of consuming these ingredients regularly. Ajwain is helpful for our stomach-related problems like acidity, constipation, also helpful in kidney-related problems, irregular periods, and also useful in infection-related issues. Next ingredient is fenugreek seeds, which are helpful in digestion, to control cholesterol levels, useful in producing milk for breastfeeding mothers, and also helpful in acidity as well. The last ingredient is bitter cumin, or also called as kali jeera, which is mostly used for herbal medicines. It is beneficial for blood pressure, diabetes, and cancer patients. This particular ingredient is useful for eyesight and hair-related problems, acidity and blood circulation, heart-related problems, improves our memory, ear deafness, impotency, controls cholesterol levels, and teeth-related problems. Most importantly, this medicine can also cure side effects caused by allopathy medicines. Please feel free to try this medicine as it does not have any side effects, and if you see any changes, share your experience with me in the comment box. This Ayurvedic medicine, which we are going to learn in this video, is especially very effective for diabetic patients when you follow how and when to use it regularly. Now let's see how to make this miracle drink. At first, heat up a kadai or a pan on a low flame and add kali jeera, that is bitter cumin, and heat it up. Remember, do not roast it. Next, same goes to ajwain. Remember, do not roast it, only heat it up for 20 to 30 seconds. At last, heat up some fenugreek seeds and turn off the flame. Now let them cool down completely at room temperature. Later, you can add all these ingredients in the blending jar and blend them as smooth powder. Now this miracle powder is ready to use. Store it in any glass or steel containers. Please do not use plastic containers as it is harmful for our body and environment as well. 1 tablespoon of this powder should be added to lukewarm water and consumed empty stomach in the early morning and also at night after your dinner. Make sure you do not consume anything after drinking this miracle drink at night. It is very important to take this miracle drink with lukewarm water. This can be consumed by any age group. And please note that this is not for pregnant women, but it can be consumed after your delivery. Consume this miracle drink regularly for at least 3 months, that is 80 to 90 days. You will have to wait patiently for this medicine to work on you. Remember to consume this miracle drink regularly for 3 months at least. You will be inspired by the end of the 3rd month, and so you will continue this miracle drink for healthy looking you. I would definitely not say this will work or you can see the changes in a week or 5 days like others say in their videos, because obviously this takes time to make changes in your body in reality. If you like this video, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.